Hey guys, this is Brad from Places of Wayne County, and I wanted to do an unboxing. Recently there was Amazon Prime Day and I was able to get this MAVIC Mini Fly More combo for $100 off, and I just wanted to go through the gear and show you what I got. Okay, let's open up the box. Let me get my pocket knife out. So part of the reason why I ended up pulling the trigger and got this MAVIC Mini Fly More combo was because I wanted to get some fall footage of the leaves, and that's happening right now. If I saved up some money to get a better quality drone, then I would miss out on the fall leaves and other things, and this is a really good deal. So my previous drone was a DJI Spark, and this does 2.7K video resolution. My Spark only did 180p, so I'm really excited about this. Some of the stats are 249 grams, so if you're just a hobbyist, you don't have to get this registered, but since I'm a licensed drone pilot, then I'll get it registered with the FAA, since I'll be doing it commercially. It has 4 kilometers of HD video transmission, vision sensors, GPS precise hover, 3-axis gimbal, 2.7K camera, simplified recording and editing. Now the Fly More combo is really worth it. For $100 more, it gives you 3 batteries instead of just 1 battery, and let me get this. This is probably the prop guards. The prop guards are helpful when you're flying indoors. Prop guards. I ended up getting a heavy-duty case, and I also got some ND filters for the MAVIC Mini. We'll go into that. So let's open this up. This is a pretty nice case for the MAVIC Mini. Wow. Now at my day job, I get to fly MAVIC Air 2, which is similar to this but a lot bigger. Oh, man, that is such a tiny, like here's my hand and that's the size. So here is the remote. It's very similar to the Spark. Screw these in there. And this is the battery charger. Yeah, it looks like it comes with quite a few extra props. Here are the cords for hooking it up to your cell phone. They have USB, USB-C, and then iPhone. Here's the batteries. Let's go ahead and get these charging. They're pretty heavy. The battery actually feels like it weighs more than the drum. Okay, so just drop that down in there. Now with the MAVIC Air 2, it only charges one battery at a time. I wonder if this will have it charge simultaneously. Okay, here is the power adapter. So we'll just go ahead and plug that in and get those charging. Yeah, it looks like it only charges one battery at a time. Now let's follow the steps. It says unfold the wing. It says unfold the wings. Let's see. Okay, so flip it like this now, and then take off all of these crazy amount of stickers. And this is the gimbal protector. So the battery on this one, you end up flipping up the back and the battery drops down in there. Let me take those off the props. And I saw in a video this last week that it is recommended to spread your props or your propellers open like that. It ends up putting less wear and tear on the motors for them to start up. But here's your MAVIC Mini. Now let's yeah, the controller feels very, very similar to the Spark. But where is the plug for connecting it to your phone? Ah, here we go. That is smart. So that you can yeah, I like that being out there so that then you can just plug your phone in there. Let's see how my phone, I have the iPhone 7, so let's see how that fits in there. I do have a case on, which probably will be problematic for it. Okay, that's not too bad. Yeah, that should work pretty nicely. So let's open up these ND filters. Now, the ND filters are basically like putting sunglasses on your drone. It allows you to have better settings, a little bit more controlled settings than getting all washed out if the sun is really bright. Okay, I'll put a link for all of this stuff in the description of the video, and it will be Amazon affiliate links, so you can help support this channel. So here are the different ND filters. ND4, ND32, ND16, ND8, and then there's MC UV, and then there's a CPL. So I'll have to explore and see which ones to use, but these are really tiny little things. So if I take the prop guard off, then it just kind of like snaps onto it. Wow. Yeah, it just snaps onto it like that. So now, this is the orange case that I got for it. It's very heavy, durable, and it has cutouts just for the MAVIC Mini. So I'm going to fold this back up. Getting a few more stickers off of here, and let me put the gimbal guard on there. So we flip that and flip these back. And that fits right down in there. Then the controller. Okay, so this does not make you remove the thumb controllers on the remote. So that fits nicely there. Then you have another slot for the charger and 3 batteries. And this is probably a slot for some replacement. Where are they? Oh. In here, there are some extra props. And what are these parts? Some additional screws. So I'll go ahead and place that in there. Oh, it looks like you have to use screws for putting on these, so that's why they included a screwdriver. So I'll actually put this stuff up here, the little bag area. Then I'll include these little cord adapters for that. And so yeah, that'll work great. I can put the charger in here, the 3 batteries, and here's the ND filters. Then it closes very nicely in a nice compact container. So I haven't had a chance to fly this yet. Obviously I have to charge the batteries, but I just want to give you a first look at what is included in the DJI MAVIC Mini Fly More combo. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and you have a safe day. Till next time. Bye.